Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So as you can see, the 48, she's been severely neglected again lately, very dirty, but I finally got the starter back from the shop. So we've made several attempts to start this car. She wants to. She turns over great. We've oiled the cylinders down. You can refer back on all my past videos. I can link some in the end of this video. Got the carburetor rebuilt. We're just going to run it off a gas can right now. Rebuilt the fuel pump. I have lots of videos of this car on my channel. So today we are finally going to see with the new starter if it has enough guts to actually get this car turned over. 6-volt systems turn over very slowly as it is. Totally different bird than a 12-volt. However, like I said, with the starter being rebuilt, it should really help the matter. So anyway, thank you guys for joining the video. We'll get started here in a second. Got our nice new pretty starter there. It's been all redone. Nice fresh battery. Nice fresh rebuild on the carb. Got a slight leak on the carb still on one of the shafts. We may have to pull that back off and repair that. That part didn't come in the rebuild kit, so that may have to be addressed still.
Turn it over a little bit, see if it sucks some gas out of this can. Go ahead. Try again. Yep.
There we go. Wow, it runs good. No knocking, no engine noise, no nothing.
Might be the generator.
It also hasn't ran in how many years? I mean, this car has sat for years and years and years.
Temperature gauge work.
She revved it just a little bit and that noise stopped. She just wants to run. She's sat for too many years. She runs like a champ.
I just want to see if it even wants to.
She wants to go into gear. She's in gear right now. Yep. No. Got stuff right behind you. Can't believe how well the car runs. I mean, it's sat for how many years and it just fires right up and purrs like a kitten. Yeah, I mean, we haven't done timing on this thing. We haven't done anything yet. But it purrs like a kitten. That's drive. Yep, she wants to go. She's in gear.
If the brake is on.
If the e-brake is on, hit it. Yep, it goes into reverse. So now it's time to service everything, change the oil. I mean, the story that I got from the gentleman, I mean, it was his grandfather's car, and they just, when the grandfather died, it got put in the garage and just left alone. They didn't touch it anymore, so.
Don't have oil pressure, right? Carb's not leaking. So we did a good job. Great.